Hey there, friend. This is Intro to Python, and I'm Avi. In this episode, let's have some fun with for loops. For loops can do some cool things, like counting out numbers. They can also print out all the characters in a string. We can even print out all the things in a list. Printing isn't the only thing for loops are good for. For loops can be used to make new lists, as well as modify pre-existing lists. Let's say I want to make a list of all the odd numbers between 3 and 17, including 3 and 17. Here's how I might do it. On line 1, I create an empty list called odd numbers. On line 2, I write my for loop with an index value ranging from 3 up to but not including 18. Each time my for loop runs, my code will check whether the index number is odd. That's on line 3. If the index is odd, it gets added to the odd numbers list. What if I wanted to double all the numbers in my list? I'd use a for loop to iterate through the list and modify each item. I hope this episode helped wrap your mind around for loops and that you feel inspired to use them in your programs. Any comments, questions, or suggestions you can think of, please do leave them in the comments section below. In the next episode, we will talk about functions, and I'm really excited because functions are awesome. Till then, keep on coding.